So tonight I was thinking, I'm gonna make a pizza and I'm gonna cook some chicken. I'm gonna make a mega chicken flavor burst pizza. Kind of got the idea here, and you're probably thinking, what's a mega chicken flavor burst pizza? Well, partly I just made that name up because I kind of got the idea of the pizza in my head, and well, that name sounded as good as any name, I guess. Anyway, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook up a heap of chicken because it's a mega chicken, and the flavor burst, well, that's gonna come down to the sauce on the pizza. Now, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I got some pre-made bases. You can make your own base, which I'm gonna do on a future episode, but this one I'm using pre-made bases, so it should be all right. Let's get cooking. So this is my mega chicken flavor burst pizza. Now, obviously you can tell why it's a mega chicken because there's like half a kilo of chicken on this thing. And the flavor burst is because I've got different sauces on different slices. Now, if you've got a really big pizza, try and put a different sauce on each slice. So basically every time you go for a bite or grab another slice, you're getting a whole different flavor. That's the flavor burst. Anyway guys, I hope you like this recipe. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned. There'll be more videos soon. Time to eat. That's the barbecue.
J'espère que cette recette vous a plu. Si vous l'avez fait, cliquez sur ce bouton d'abonnement et sur la cloche de notification pour recevoir un rappel lorsque je mettrai en ligne ma prochaine vidéo. Espero que te haya gustado esta receta. Si lo hizo, haga clic en el botón de suscripción y en la campana de notificación para que le recuerden cuando suba mi próximo video.